Hey everybody, Freezer Bond Outdoors here. Today we're going to be doing some deer processing, and amongst that we're going to be doing a European mount also. We thought we'd make a short video of how to do this. A European mount, you can use a turkey fryer. Simplest thing. It's a couple step process. The first process is to get your deer head skinned off. Then we're going to cook this for about 3 hours. Then we're going to take it out. We're going to pick some meat off. And we're going to get the pressure washer fired up, and we're going to blow some more stuff off. The pressure washer is a great tool for this process. It makes a lot of, it gets into the little crevices and cracks and just blows that stuff right out of there. So we're going to cook this for about 3 hours. Joe and Adam are coming over. We're going to put his head in there too. I think we can fit 2 in here. So we'll see you in a couple hours. Alright, Freezer Bond Outdoors back with you. We've cooked the deer heads about 3 hours, and some of the meat is starting to shrink up here. What we're going to do is pick some of the meat off right now, and I give it a quick hose with the pressure washer and get them back in here. So, alright Joe, let's go pick some meat off of these babies. Get some of the big stuff off. Okay, that blew most of the stuff off of it. The big chunks are off. Joe's nose pieces come off there. That's no big deal. They glue right back on. Glue them right back on there. So we're going to dunk these back in the water for another hour or so, and hit them again with a pressure washer, and they'll really clean up nice then. Okay, see you in a bit. Hey guys, we're in the final steps of this European mount. We did about 4.5 hours of cooking them off. We sprayed them off a couple times with the pressure washer. And the last is we're degreasing them with a dish detergent water bath. Just all be taking them out right now. We're going to turn the fire off. We're done. Go ahead, Joe, to the drain. Look how nice that looks. Hey guys, Freezer Bond Outdoors back with you. We're in the final process here of finishing the European mount. What you do is you take some volume 40. You can get this at any regular salon product store. It's a basic product anybody can buy. It's a high potent peroxide basically, and you butter it on here. Make sure not to get it on the horns. It bleaches like you wouldn't believe. We're going to butter this thing up here. You paint it on just like you're painting whatever you want to paint it. You're painting the wall, basically. The nose pieces here on Joe's, the nose pieces come off. These will stick right back on here. We're going to glue them back on. They stick right back on there just like that. We're going to butter them up too. It'll be white as you wouldn't believe. We're going to let this sit for a couple days, wrap it in plastic. European mount, Freezer Bond Outdoors. Alright guys, it's been 3 days since we got our heads cleaned off here. We applied the volume 40. That was about a 4.5 to 5 hour process. So all we got to do now is get it sprayed off and let them dry. Let's see how white this thing turned out. Nice and white. One of my nose pieces just fell off here. Don't worry about that, you can simply glue it back on. Turned out pretty good. I'm going to do Joe's here in a minute. So if you like this video and if it was informational to you, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.